We're all very keen to reduce climate change, and one of the best ways in anaesthesia we can do this is by eliminating the use of nitrous oxide, but also by reducing the amount of inhalational agent and inhalation gases that we use. The easiest way to do that is to reduce the fresh gas flow. The issue with that is by reducing the fresh gas flow, we need to be able to monitor how much carbon dioxide the patient is producing and whether they are rebreathing. So we can turn down the fresh gas flows until the point the patient rebreathes. What we have to make sure of, though, is that our capnograph can detect rebreathing. I'm going to breathe, first of all, without any airway, and then I'm going to increase the airway here and my dead space to get rebreathing. Let's have a look first off without any tubing. As we'd expect, the baseline is going to 0 and I'm breathing about 34 millimetres of mercury. Let's put the dead space on and start deliberately rebreathing. As you can see, the baseline doesn't go to 0 and the amount of rebreathing carbon dioxide is being shown here. Let's check and see if all monitors are created equal. Let's have a look at this monitor then and see what happens. I'll start by breathing straight through the adapter. Now let's connect to my massive dead space. Because I stopped breathing down that probably a minute ago.